I'm excited. We're going to start off today by checking in and seeing this stunning transformation by Little Star Renovations.
Hey Mark and Mandy, it's a pleasure to be with you again. I wanted to show you this project we've just finished in the west side of Vancouver. It's a family townhouse. The clients were expecting a baby when they interviewed us to do the job, and we knew the potential that they might have the baby halfway into the job. That happened. We navigated it well and we're still friends to this day. So I want to start out there, but a couple of the challenges we had with a reno, and they're all challenging, is there was a kitchen at the back, a dining room in the middle, and a living room at the front of the house. And they were all separated by large walls with arches in them. It looked very Grecian, like a Greek piece of property. And they wanted to modernize and create flow. Now we did that with removing the walls. They were both structural and bearing, so we had some creative challenges, but we got over that. And we created this one big flow to the place. Another challenge we had, which everybody has, is budget. Everyone wants a beautiful job done, but there's a very specific ceiling to how much they can afford to spend. And one of the ways we overcame that was by steering them away from custom millwork, and we went with IKEA. This, believe it or not, is IKEA. You would think, looking at this kitchen, that it wasn't, that it was custom, but I feel like this is IKEA at its best. It's a beautiful walnut finish on this side, and we blended it in with some cream lowers on the island. One of the nice features of this, you might think, it's so clean looking. Well, the reason it's so clean looking is there's no handles here to distract you and make it busy. These cupboards have an integrated handle in them, and it's very subtle, but it really helps to give that clean, modern finish. Another challenge we had on this project is this countertop. I think this is close to 11 feet in length. There was no way to get it up the stairs. And so they were gonna have to live with a seam right the way through their counter. And when you're getting into a reno, sometimes the costs you can just be like, no, we can't afford any more. Thankfully, the owners decided to dig a little bit deeper. We rented a crane. We got this counter craned in through the window, and they say to this day, we're so happy we don't have a seam in the countertop. So, push them a little bit, but they're really happy with the end result, and I think it looks fantastic. I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough. Mark and Mandy, now back over to you.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.